How to create a BTCC account. Sign up BTCC tutorial with referral code KCOZF4. The question is, are you interested in trading cryptocurrency on BTCC? BTCC is a reliable crypto exchange that offers a wide range of trading options, competitive fees, and an easy-to-use platform. This tutorial will guide you through the steps of creating a BTCC account and setting it up with a referral code to get you started on the platform. Step-by-step guide to create a BTCC account. Visit the BTCC website. Start by going to the official BTCC website. Make sure you're on the correct site to avoid any potential phishing scams. The BTCC platform is accessible through both desktop and mobile devices. Click on the Sign Up button. On the BTCC homepage, look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on it to begin the registration process. You'll need to enter some personal details, including your email address and a secure password. Make sure your password is strong and unique to protect your account. Enter referral code KCOZF4. During registration, you'll see an option to enter a referral code. Type KCOZF4 in the referral code field. Using this code may provide you with special benefits or bonuses as a new user. Agree to the terms and conditions. Read through the terms and conditions, and if you agree, check the box confirming your acceptance. Make sure you understand the platform's policies on trading, fees, and security. Complete the verification process. BTCC requires identity verification to ensure security and compliance with regulations. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your KYC, Know Your Customer, process. You may need to provide a government-issued ID and proof of address. Set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. For added security, it's highly recommended to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This extra layer of security helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds to start trading. BTCC supports a variety of deposit methods, including crypto deposits and other payment options, depending on your region. Start trading on BTCC. With funds in your account, you're now ready to explore the trading options on BTCC. The platform offers various types of trades, including spot and futures trading, to suit different trading strategies. Why use BTCC? BTCC offers a user-friendly interface, competitive fees, and strong security measures, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced traders. With the added bonus from the referral code KCOZF4, new users can enjoy a rewarding start to their trading journey on BTCC. Ready to create your BTCC account? Click the registration link in the description or comments below and enter referral code KCOZF4 to get started today.